Hey there, medical professionals! Ready to dive into the fascinating world of synovial joints? These joints are the most movable type in the human body, featuring a synovial cavity filled with lubricating synovial fluid. Let's explore the 6 subtypes of synovial joints and their unique characteristics. First up, we have the ball and socket joints. Think of the shoulder and hip joints. They consist of a spherical head fitting into a cup-like socket. These joints allow for flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, rotation, and circumduction. Essentially, they offer a wide range of motion in multiple directions. However, their high mobility makes them less stable and more prone to dislocations. Next, let's talk about hinge joints. The elbow and knee joints are classic examples. Here, a convex surface fits into a concave one, permitting flexion and extension movements, much like a door hinge. These joints allow uniaxial movement, meaning they move in just one plane. Moving on to pivot joints. Think of the atlantoaxial joint in your neck or the proximal radio-ulnar joint in your forearm. One bone has a rounded surface that fits into a ring-like structure of another bone. This setup allows for rotational movement around a single axis. Now, let's explore condyloid or ellipsoidal joints. The wrist joint is a great example. An oval-shaped condyle fits into an elliptical cavity, allowing for flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, and circumduction. These joints enable biaxial movement, offering a good range of motion but not as extensive as ball and socket joints. Next up, saddle joints. The carpometacarpal joint of the thumb is a prime example. Both bones have saddle-shaped surfaces that fit together, allowing for flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, and circumduction. These joints also provide biaxial movement and a stable yet flexible range of motion. Finally, we have plane or gliding joints. These are found in the intercarpal and intertarsal joints. The articulating surfaces are flat or slightly curved, allowing for sliding or gliding movements. While these joints permit limited movement in multiple directions, they provide excellent stability. In summary, each subtype of synovial joint is specialized to permit specific types of movement, accommodating the functional needs of different body parts. From the extensive range of ball and socket joints to the limited gliding movements of plane joints, these structures play crucial roles in human movement. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more informative content.